Come here, I said, how come the pain just feels so exponential? So.
Humble.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend about Yaadman Etan?
Over on YouTube, thing good. You don't know, say Yaadman Etan. You don't know, say Yaadman Etan. And if you couldn't tell, IR is back in a Jamaica. Is it, mate? My favorite mango tree right here.
Better you go your bed.
Tomorrow, December 9th, is my best friend's wedding. And my brethren asked me to be his best man. So, if you couldn't tell, I kinda need to suck my locks, but look here. I need some things for the wedding, alright? I need to get my hair twisted, and I need something else to help me relax, alright? So first things first, to help me get through this wedding, and it's not even my wedding. Sorry. Like I need it for tomorrow, but right now we're there, Jus Natural. Time to get my head wash. For the month of December, Jus Natural will be giving complimentary deep condition treatment with rosemary and mint from the Design Essentials line. So if you're going to get your locks retwisted, go to Jus Natural and tell them say Yaadman send you. So look at now, please. Let me look like a best man for tomorrow.
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright, come on.
Less.
So I don't really know hairstyles like that. I just asked Auntie Trudy to make me look like the bestest man. So Auntie Trudy decided to give me a 2-strand twist in my dreadlocks, alright? And after that, she's going to tie it up into a different hairstyle from the 2-strand twist. And let me tell you, I might look like I'm calm, cool and collected, but I am tender-headed. And then me start feel 2 hands in my head. Come here, I said, how come the pain just feels so exponential? So.
Humble.
So remember, people, you can get any of your natural hair combos at Jus Natural Hair Studio at any of their locations in Kingston and St. Catherine.
That was a good one.
Oh my God, so I get that one up on camera.
Got me a say.
Can I come out here? Sure.
A wash, deep condition, retwist and style later. Ladies and gentlemen, the bestest man is ready. So yes, people may just come out of Jus Natural and see it here. Look at the bestest man, right? Fresh. Tell me what that rosemary and mint
treatment from the Design Essential line. And so for the month of December, we will be doing complimentary deep conditioning treatment with our rosemary and mint from the Design Essential lines. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah,
most persons, if they come in, please ask for it, because sometimes persons won't want it, but we want them to get that complimentary treatment for the month of December.
For the month of December, people, come check Jus Natural.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Get fresh again.
So yeah, people, head though. Well nice, clean and fresh. Is it me I say?
Yo, so we're gonna walk out here now. We're gonna use the mask thing.
Yeah, but apathetic, you know.
No, I think you must have been female already. So just about, honestly, we never did get to talk with them. When I just stand up with them, I mean, just go and I talk with them.
You got improv the house, right?
No, I got improv. It did it, but nobody just don't know it.
Ready.